Hello guys, welcome to my channel Shortcut Guru. This is the series Journey through UPSC CSE. It's the part 2 and in this part we will be solving a few more questions from the year 1995. Let's begin. The first question is, the standard time of the following countries is ahead or behind Greenwich Mean Time depending on whether they are east or west of the longitude passing through Greenwich. Cuba, Greece, Iraq, Costa Rica, Japan. Which one of the following sequential orders gives the correct arrangement of the countries according to their standard time from ahead to behind GMT? Before finding the answer, let's discuss the question. This is the world map and I have marked GMT through the middle of the map. The red line is the GMT that I have marked. To the right of GMT, it's time ahead of GMT. That is, traveling east, time gets later. To the left of the GMT that I have marked, it's time behind of GMT. That is, traveling west, time gets earlier. I have also marked the countries that are set in the question. Let's take a look at that. From the map, we understand that Japan lies to the far right of the GMT, followed by Iraq and Greece. To the left of the GMT, you can see Cuba followed by Costa Rica. So, in the given question, the answer is option A, 5, 3, 2, 1 and 4. Let's move to the next question. Which one of the following 5-year plans recognized human development as the core of all developmental efforts? The 5-year plan which recognized human development as the core of all developmental efforts is the 8th 5-year plan, and that is option D. Let's move to the next question. Which of the following is extra constitutional and extra legal devices for securing cooperation and coordination between the states in India? 1. The National Development Council. 2. The Governors Conference. 3. Zonal Councils. 4. The Interstate Council. Choose the correct answer from the codes given below. Let's discuss the answer. The National Development Council, the Governors Conference, Zonal Councils and the Interstate Councils are devices for securing cooperation and coordination between the states in India. But the Interstate Council has constitutional status. So the answer is option A, 1, 2 and 3. Let's move to the next question. The original home of the Gypsies was option A, Egypt, option B, Russia, option C, India, option D, Persia. The right answer is option C, India. Gypsies or the Romani people are an ethnic group with a distinct language and cultural traditions. It is believed that they migrated from North India around the 11th century and gradually spread across Europe, the Middle East and other parts of the world. Let's move to the next question. Which one of the following is the continent with the highest mean elevation in the world? Option A, Antarctica, option B, North America, option C, Asia and option D, South America. The right answer is option A, Antarctica. Antarctica has huge ice caps which make it the continent with the highest mean elevation in the world. Next question. Which of the following are the objectives of the Commission for Agricultural Costs and Prices? Statement 1. To stabilize agricultural prices. 2. To ensure meaningful real income levels to the farmers. 3. To protect the interest of the consumers by providing essential agricultural commodities at reasonable rates through public distribution system. 4. To ensure maximum price for the farmer. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. In this question, we can see that option 2 and option 4 are contradictory. That is, to ensure meaningful real income levels to the farmers and ensuring maximum price for the farmer is contradictory. And the right answer is option A, 1, 2 and 3. Ensuring maximum price for the farmer is not the objective of the Commission for Agricultural Cost and Prices. CACP is an attached office of the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. It came into existence in the year 1965. The CACP recommends minimum support prices of 23 commodities, which comprise 7 cereals, 5 pulses, 7 oilseeds and 4 commercial crops. Next question. Which of the following are matters on which a constitutional amendment is possible only with the ratification of the legislatures of not less than one half of the states. Statement 1, election of the president. Statement 2, representation of states in parliament. Statement 3, any of the list in the 7th schedule. And Statement 4, abolition of the legislative council of a state. Article 368 provides 3 procedures of constitutional amendments, that is simple majority, special majority and special majority along with states ratification. And the states ratification is required for the election to the President of India, extent of the executive power of the Union and state government, Union judiciary, High Court, distribution of legislative powers between the Union and the states, any of the list mentioned in the 7th schedule, representation of states in the Parliament, GST Council, power of Parliament to amend the Constitution and its procedure. In the recent years, states ratification was applied for the 99th Amendment, that is the establishment of National Judicial Appointments Commission, and for the 101st Amendment Act of 2016, which introduced GST regime. So here the answer is option A, 1, 2 and 3. Moving to the next question. In Sanskrit plays written during the Gupta period, women and Shudras speak. Option A Sanskrit, option B Prakrit, option C Pali and option D Sauraseni. The right answer is option B Prakrit. Moving to the next question. The graph below shows the mean average monthly temperatures and mean monthly rainfall of a place. This graph is indicative of which of the following climate zones of the world. Option A wet and dry tropical, option B rainy tropical, option C semi-arid tropical and option D temperate marine. From the graph we understand that during the months of May and June, temperature is between 20 and 25 degrees Celsius and the rainfall is above 25 centimeters. And during the months of December and November, rainfall is about 10 centimeter but below 15 centimeter. And here the temperature is between 15 degrees Celsius and 20 degrees Celsius. Let's discuss the options. In case of option B, rainy tropical, rainfall and temperature will be more and they will be even throughout the year. And in the case of semi-arid tropical, rainfall is too less. And in the case of temperate marine, rainfall and temperature are moderate and almost the same throughout the year. And in the case of option A, wet and dry tropical, we know that during the summer months there will be rain, but in the winter there will be less rain. And so we can conclude that option A is the right answer. I have shown the map and the features of tropical wet and dry climate in this section. You can pause the video and watch it. Moving to the next question. Consider the table given below. Which one of the following will fit in the place marked X? Here we are given a table with the title Parliament of India. You can also see that Council of States, that is the Rajya Sabha, are not more than 250 members, and in the case of Lok Sabha not more than 552 members. Coming down we can see that Rajya Sabha has 12 nominated and not more than 238 representatives of states and union territories, and in the case of Lok Sabha not more than 530 representatives of states plus not more than 2 nominated Anglo-Indians. And we are supposed to find the X in the other hand. We can assume that we are supposed to find the missing 20 members from the Lok Sabha. Missing 20 members, where do they belong? So let's see the options. Option A, ministers who are not members of parliament but who have to get themselves elected to either house of parliament within 6 months after assuming office. After reading option A, we can easily eliminate option A, and coming to option B, not more than 20 nominated members. We can eliminate option B because in Lok Sabha there are only 2 nominated members. And coming to option C, not more than 20 representatives of union territories. In the case of option D, the Attorney General who has the right to speak and take part in the proceedings of either house of parliament. You can easily eliminate option D, and the answer is option C, not more than 20 representatives of union territories. Before moving to the Next question. The 2 seats reserved for the Anglo-Indian community in the Lok Sabha were abolished in January 2020 by the 104th Constitutional Amendment Act. The amendment also removed the reserved seats for the Anglo-Indian community in state assemblies. And at present, the Lok Sabha has 543 seats filled by elected representatives. Moving to the next question. The name by which Ashoka is generally referred to his inscriptions is option A Chakravarti, option B Dharmavida, option C Dharmakirti, and option D Priyadarshini. The right answer is option D Priyadarshini. Ashoka himself assumed the title Devanambiya Priyadarshi. The title is derived from the Pali words Devanambiya and Priyadasi, which mean beloved to the gods and one who regards everyone amiably, or he who regards others with kindness. Thank you for watching my video. Let me know your suggestions and comments in the comment box. Thank you.